One of the most popular, effective and quickest ways of getting a Rotoflex bed is to work with us with a combined delivery and assessment. So as the name suggests, we are combining the delivery and assessment all into one visit, which makes it quicker than doing it on two separate visits. The way this works is that you would have a detailed conversation with a product expert where we would ask you about your height and your weight and what you need the bed to do. We would recommend a bed, and then if you pay a small refundable deposit, we would bring that actual bed with the intention of leaving it with you to your home, where the assessor will meet the installation team. The installers bring it in to your bedroom, which is the best place to try a bed. They leave you in the privacy of your bedroom with the assessor and any other people who you want to be there. We go through the assessment, which is a clinical process to establish suitability. If the bed is suitable and everyone agrees and you want to keep the bed, then you pay the balance to take ownership. If it's not suitable or you're just not sure, the delivery team, the installers, are outside waiting. They come back in, they take the bed out again, put everything back as it was, and then we refund your deposit in full. So it really hasn't cost you anything other than a couple of hours of your time. But the importance of this is that the order is expedited. You get the bed quickly, there is no risk. And once a bed is delivered, by the way, then our 14 days suitability guarantee begins. So even if everybody thought this was the right bed for you and you thought the same, if it then proves to be unsuitable within the first 2 weeks, we will take the bed away and we will refund you in line with our 14-day suitability guarantee policy. It really is a very popular way to get a Rotoflex bed. Thank you.